Hey guys, welcome back. Wanted to test out the flash of a Kodak Instamatic 100 camera. Let's see if this works. I'm not sure. I've never tested it before. We have a AG1 bulb here. It's a good bulb. It hasn't been used before. It has two little connections here, one on this side, one on that side, and it slides into this slot on the front. And it has two connections there that it makes. We are going to put two AAA batteries, one up, one down, inside the battery compartment. Flip that over. There's no film in this. Well, there is film, but it's all wound up inside this this side. It has yet to be developed. But for testing, let's give it a go. So right now it's wound, it's set. Pop the flash out, and let's test it out. That was it, guys. I don't know if you heard, but it was whistling a little bit. It looks like, yep, it smells cooked. There's a little bulge in the back of the glass. And that is what a flash looks like in your Kodak Instamatic 100. It's a little warm. It's not too hot. Just pop that guy out. You can see that the glass even melted a little bit there. It's a little bit warm. Let me get a paper towel here to put it on so you guys can see. All right, that was it. It makes such a hot reaction that it actually melts the glass a little bit. So there you have it. Once you're done with that bulb, they usually come on these little tubes. You can pop another one in, and you're ready to go again. All right, well, till next time, have a great day.